While net is boiling with coronavirus precautions measures, phishing emails dealing with it, and memes, I think I have to make my contribution to precautions against this viral shedding. Clean the surface of your smartphone, because it's a thing you constantly touch most of the time, not only with your hands, but also your face. After you touch a door handle or shake someone's hand, you often pick up your phone shortly after, transferring germs to the device and then welcoming them onto your face and mouth when surfing net or taking a call. It's a usual disinfection norm you heard many times, but never did, being honest. Now it's high time to get used to it. Wipe down the front and back of your phone, but also don't forget to take off any cases and clean underneath where germs can get trapped. Try to repeat this process often, especially if others handle your device or if you touch a lot of public surfaces. Do the same steps with your keyboard and computer mouse. Take care.